Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 8 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. In our last episode, we expressed gratitude for the material things we own. Today, we go deeper to the source of all those materials. We are connecting with Mother Earth, nature, and all living beings. In the hustle of modern life, we often forget that our physical body is actually a piece of the earth. The minerals in your bones and the water in your blood are borrowed from this planet. When we disconnect from nature, our energy becomes unstable and ungrounded. Today's meditation is about remembering that you belong here. We will be offering gratitude to the land, the plants, and the animals that share this journey with us. This is one of the most healing frequencies for the physical body. Find a comfortable position, ideally with your feet flat on the floor, to connect with the ground. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, the wisdom of your soul, and the collective angelic team aligned with harmony, balance, and the highest good to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Support this meditation with grounding, calm, and gentle connection. Allow only energies aligned with love, respect, and free will to participate. You don't need to visualize anything. You don't need to go anywhere. Just allow yourself to be here, held within this moment. Now, allow yourself to arrive. There is nothing you need to achieve, nothing you need to transcend. You don't need to feel spiritual. You don't need to feel connected yet. Just allow yourself to be present in this body, on this planet, right now. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it flows in and flows out without effort. Feel the physical body being supported by the chair, the floor, the ground beneath you. This ground, this earth, is already holding you. You don't need to hold yourself up. Now notice the emotional tone within. Perhaps there is calm, gratitude, fatigue, or neutrality. Whatever is present is welcome. The emotional body does not need to protect itself right now. It can soften, knowing it is supported by something much larger. Thoughts may arise, images of nature, memories, ideas about the planet, or concerns about the world. There is no need to analyze. For this moment, the mind does not need to solve Earth's problems. It only needs to remember its relationship with the Earth. Now gently invite your higher self forward, the part of you that remembers life as part of nature, not separate from it. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite my higher self to activate remembrance of my connection with Mother Earth. Allow this connection to flow now into my physical body, my emotional body, my mental body, and my spiritual body. Not as imagination, but as belonging. From this grounded space, turn your awareness toward the planet beneath you. Mother Earth, the living system that sustains physical life, the ground that holds your body, the soil that grows your food, the water that nourishes you, the air that fills your lungs. You don't need to picture the whole planet. Just sense that you are supported by something vast, stable, and alive. Gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you, Mother Earth, for holding my body. Thank you for the materials that form my home, my clothing, the objects I use every day. Thank you for the food that nourishes me, even when I don't think about where it comes from. Thank you for your patience, your cycles, your ability to regenerate. Allow gratitude to settle into your body as stability and support. Now, expand your awareness to the natural world. Plants, trees, flowers, forests, oceans, mountains. You don't need to name them all. Just sense the quiet generosity of nature. Silently or out loud, you may say, "Thank you to the plants that give oxygen, food, medicine, and beauty. Thank you for growth without force, for giving without asking, for reminding me of natural timing." Allow this gratitude to soften your breath and deepen your sense of peace. Now, gently bring awareness to animals. Wild animals, farm animals, and especially the animals who share your life. If you have a pet or have had one before, allow them to come to mind. You don't need to see them clearly. Just feel the presence of companionship, loyalty, and unconditional connection. Silently or out loud, you may say, "Thank you to the animals who accompany my life. Thank you for your presence, your comfort, your honesty, and your love. Thank you for grounding me in the present moment without words." Allow gratitude to reach any grief or tenderness connected to animals you have loved. Let it bring warmth, not loss. Now gently invite the collective angelic team. Silently or out loud, you may say, "I invite the collective angelic team to integrate gratitude for Mother Earth, nature, plants, and animals into all four bodies. Please allow this gratitude to strengthen my connection to physical life, to presence, and to respect for all living beings. Let this connection support my health, my grounding, and my daily life." Notice how gratitude for the earth brings you into the body. Notice how connection does not require effort. You don't need to save the planet right now. You don't need to be perfect. Just remembering that you belong here is enough. This gratitude is now known to your physical body as nourishment and grounding. It is known to your emotional body as comfort and belonging. It is known to your mental body as humility and respect. And it is known to your spiritual body as unity with life. This connection is gently sealed across all four bodies. When you're ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the body resting here. Carry this gratitude with you into how you walk, how you eat, how you touch the world. You are not living on the earth, you are living with it. Every breath, every step, every moment of support is a relationship. And you can return to this connection anytime simply by remembering where your body belongs. Thank you for joining me in this grounding practice. Often, when we feel anxious or in our heads, too much mental body energy, the quickest remedy is to connect with nature. Even just looking at a tree or touching the soil can reset your four bodies. We have now covered the internal self, our relationships, our material world, and our planet. In our next episode, episode 9, we will reach the peak of this series. We will be exploring gratitude to the universe and divine source. This will be about connecting with the ultimate energy of creation that flows through all things. If you are enjoying this journey, please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the next episode.